All right, you're looking at the NH-D14 CPU cooler from Noctua, brand new unit. This is the new top dog from Noctua. This thing's absolutely incredible, as you can see. Completely new design. It's actually got dual radiators and dual fans. If you know anything about Noctua, they make pretty much the best fans on the market right now. They have SSO bearings, and they have these vortex control notches. I don't know if you can see them. They're right in here. But basically, those help move more air, keep the fans quieter. These are pulse width modulation fans. They do adjust speed normally. Now, this thing is really impressive because it's got two fans. Now, the first one is this 140, which is actually right here in the middle, and it's got the regular 120 on the outside. Dual radiators is also really cool, and I also want you guys to see. Check this out. Look how many heat pipes this thing has. It has 6 heat pipes in total. It's got a nickel-plated copper base, which is extremely, extremely flat. This is pretty much going to be the new high-end cooler to beat. If you want to build a high-end cooler, you're going to have to beat Noctua because they are making an incredible product. I actually tested another version of this on a Core i7, and let me tell you, it is extremely impressive. It cools, even on a very high overclock, better than just about any other heat pipe-based CPU cooler I've ever used. As far as water goes, it's up there with a good 2x1 20mm radiator and water cooling system. It's definitely much better than all those pre-packaged water cooling solutions, and I think it's pretty much better than any other CPU cooler I've tried that's based on air. Pretty much flat out, including my favorite, the True 120. This thing's incredible. So let's talk about it. First of all, kind of give you most of the impressive runaround or rundown of everything that's happening on here, but I want you guys to see. Now, first of all, this is a multi-socket CPU cooler, so it does work with every Intel socket, the 775, the 1156, and the 1366. It also works with AMD, and it works with every AMD. AM2, AM2 Plus, and AM3 are all going to work on here. It does come with the NTH1 Noctua thermal compound. If you've never heard of it, it's actually one of the best thermal compounds on the market. Again, it's up there with my favorite, which is Arctic Silver 5. It works pretty much just as good. I've tested them back to back, and I couldn't tell any difference. But I know that, for a fact, that the Arctic Silver does provide an improvement versus most brands. It also comes with these little resistors built in. I don't know if you see these, but basically, if you want to throw these in line between the plug-in for the header for your fan on your motherboard, it's going to slow down the fans and make them quiet. What's really cool about this is that Noctuas are kind of designed to be very versatile. They can be for someone that likes it to be completely silent, and you can remove both fans, or for high performance, you can put both fans on and make sure they get cranked up. So basically, you're dealing with a product that's going to suit everybody, and two extremes that are usually not compatible. Someone that wants to be really quiet is going to be buying this product. Somebody that wants extreme performance and overclocking is going to be buying this type of product. It's something that it's usually hard to meet them in the middle, but Noctua absolutely does that, and they do that by giving you these incredible fans that are incredibly quiet. They're actually 20 decibels when they're fully loaded. The NF12, which is this one, and the NF14, which is this one, are both really high-end fans. The 140, or the 140mm fan, the 14mm fan, is actually quieter than the 120 at full load. So it's a new fan, very high-end design, and it's incredible. Now let's keep going. Let's show you these heat pipes again. Absolutely beautiful heat pipes. They are nickel-plated. The base is copper. It's also nickel-plated to prevent corrosion. Extremely flat base. I don't know if you can see that. If I can get you an angle here, you can see how flat that base is. It is completely flat. No lapping is going to be necessary at all on this surface whatsoever. The quality is through the roof. The machining quality is excellent. Also, I don't know if you guys see these brackets over here on both sides, but these are the SecuFirm 2 mounting system from Noctua. Incredibly simple to use. Basically, you're going to put the back bracket here, and there's going to be little screws sticking out. You're going to mount down these spring-loaded clips, and basically they'll stop spinning as soon as they're fully loaded up, and that's pretty much it. Very simple. Now, you do need to remove the middle 140mm fan to mount this, so keep that in mind. But besides that, it's very, very simple. Also, I don't know if you can see in here, but you do know that all the mounts are rubber mounted. So not only do you have vibration and noise killing rubber mounts here, but where they touch the actual radiator, they're also rubber mounted, and then they're spring loaded with these little wire clips, which are kind of like paper clips, but obviously extended to do the right job they're meant to do. So very nice cooler from Noctua. It's also important to know that if you're using high-end memory with a big cooler on it, this does clear that memory. It's kind of why they made it with the dual radiator design. They needed more surface area, but you can't go taller because you're going to hit the side of the case. You can't go wider because you're going to start blocking. You're going to hit VRMs and MOSFETs over here. You're going to hit memory over here. So basically, the design is a little bit raised. They didn't put a fan on this end because this is going to be facing the front of your case. This is going to be facing the back so that you could fit your memory right here without any problems. So very, very sweet design. It's basically the new top model. It comes with 2 incredible fans. Works on just about everything. It even comes with a screwdriver. That's how handy these guys are. They give you backup screws, rubber mounts, very high premium quality thermal compound, and basically it's going to work on any CPU. So I got to give Noctua props. Incredible cooler, probably one of the best in the market I've seen in a long time. It is the what is it? The NH-D14 from Noctua. If you have any questions on it, feel free to email me, and I'll see you guys next time. If you want to get some more information on the Noctua NH-D14 CPU cooler, type in N126-1024 into any major search engine. For Computer TV, I'm Albert.